Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, my name is Alun Ramadhani Sugianto. I am from primary 4B Kuba Islamic School. Today I am going to make a simple circuit. The stuff that we will need is a battery holder, wires, lamp, and batteries. Firstly, connect the wires from the main wire to the wire from the battery holder. When you're done, it'll be a little bit something like this. Next, we will connect the wires into the lamp now. Okay, I will need to connect them first. I think I finally did it. Now for the last step. We're gonna put the batteries. Okay, the first battery. Oh, I need to be careful because I don't want to be electrocuted. So, I'm gonna be very careful. Put the first battery. And now the second battery. Oh, I'm scared. Really scared. Wait. Oh, this is it. Bismillah. It's kind of hard to put in to the battery holder. Oh! I did it, guys. The light lamp, look. Wow, it's very beautiful. The light's very bright in real life. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.